Hi guys. So this tutorial is just going to be based on this part. So we all know that this band used to be on a bubu, right? So in front of the bubu gown. So I'm going to be showing the picture on the screen or on the thumbnail. So we all know that this is the band that we used to fix. This is the neck part that we used to fix on bubu, right? So I've done the sewing of this. Then I've already cut it out on this part too. So this is the front part, this is the neck part, this is the shoulder part. Why this is the back. So I've notched the middle of the back. So I've also get the middle of this thing, the band. So this is the middle point of the band, right? So I've also done the middle part, right? So the middle part is going to face each other, as we all know, for everybody that know how to sew bubu with band. So the explanation here is just this band, how you fix the band. That's at the end of the day, because I realize that some people make mistake when they are fixing the band. It's going to be like, I don't know how to explain it, more than it's going to shift. It's not going to stay exactly on the place. So I'm just going to show you the trick that you're going to use when you're sewing your band on your clothes. How it's going to stay exactly, that is not going to like shift. If you know what I mean, Sha, if you are somebody that make this kind of mistake, because I too am a victim of this before I realized that some people too can be going through this process. Let me just make a quick tutorial on this. Okay. So I'm just tracing this back to the front, right? So I'm doing it exactly the same. So I'm going to trace it back to this beginning. So I think I have excess of this. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and sew this. As we know, we'll sew it all the way around, right? So before I sew it, the trick there is I'm going to shift this band. Just pay attention to this place. So this is the exact point. So I'm going to shift it up a little bit. So this is where it was before. So I shifted it down. So it can be like 0.75, 0.75. It may not be up to 1 inch. It may be more than half. You understand? Just put it in points. That's 0.75, right? So now I'm going to sew it. So by the time I sew it, it's going to be exactly on the place. Like it's going to be exactly here. So if I did not do what I just did now, I'll realize that by the time I get to this half inch, it will be more than, it will not be exactly on the line again. This band is going to be more than. I hope you get my point in this video. So, oh, that's just the point of this video. I'm going to do the sewing now. So guys, after I was done, this is what it is. It looks like before ironing. So I've not done the ironing now. So you can see this down part. So you won't have like one side excess more than the other side. So that's just the point of this tutorial. And don't forget to notch the neck part too. It's very important so that it's going to lay very well on the clothes. So that's it for this tutorial. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you all in my next one.